So let's draw a stingray. Here's how it starts. Get yourself a pencil, a nice piece of paper, and I want you to draw what kind of looks like a jelly bean almost. Watch. Do a shape like this, look. Like a bean. See that sort of shape? Like, so draw a jelly bean looking shape like that. So up here, this point right around here, I want you to kind of do something like this. Now, I want you to just take your pencil and go like that. Just draw a cool curve like that. Start here like boom, like that. And in this one, I want you to take and I want you to go straight more. I don't want you to do this sort of loopy thing. I want you to do this. Just straight down like this. From right about here. Maybe high. No, that's good. Maybe a little high. I don't know. It's like this. Okay. Then over here, I want to do a double line. So I want to have a little bit of space here. And I want to try to draw that same line. Go slower this time. And try to make it and then have it go to a point. You can extend this a little like I'm doing. And just make it go like a point like this. This is a little too fat. You can erase to get it right. That's the beauty of drawing. Look, you can do this. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to just keep following the line. I'm going to make it darker as I want. Just get a nice kind of curve like that. So nice. Then, from here, I want you to pick a point on the jelly bean, like maybe right around here. So put a little dot right there. And then from this point, I want you to make a curve going up to that dot. See what I did? This is like the fin. And then over here, and this point, maybe like a little bit lower, like this area right here, you gotta come here like this. You gotta do the same thing here and bring it down like that. But that's gonna work. And then we have to do the same thing over here with like a double line, but I wanted this to go this way because I wanna do this, watch. I wanna go like that. Here, up in this area right here on the body, I want you to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the gills. And then over here, I want you to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Up in this area right here, you got to do something like this. Watch. You got to go over the jelly bean a little bit, curve it down, come around like this, and then go over the jelly bean and back around and go back to that point like this. See? Kind of doing something like that. Then erase this area of the jelly bean. And put a little dot right there. Look at this cute little jellyfish, whatever this is, stingray, jelly bean. And then over here, I'm gonna put another one like this. And then really close to here, I'm gonna do this, look. Like a smile. So over here, now this area, it's not gonna get erased so much, but you have to make the stinger like this and go. See what I'm doing? Yeah, that's nicer. I think that this is a little weird here, but I guess we'll erase that. I don't know how the stinger ends up like this. The purpose of this drawing is to try to figure out what a stingray kind of looks like so that we can then try to draw him doing a backflip, because that was Dylan's idea. After you do the drawing, you want to get a little bit of color on this. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to take blue, and I'm going to do my little sketchy drawing the way I do it, but I'm kind of following the curves of that, the gills. And then here I'm going like this. See what I'm doing? I don't know if you can pick that up. It's a little light. See, and I'll get another kind of blue. There's a purplish blue. And I'm gonna do this again. I'm trying to create the volume of the stingray. See, I do this. I'm just giving it a little bit of color so that it sits off of the white of the page. And then here I'll go like this, just to give it a little color. And then the stingray, the stinger. So this is the ray, this is the sting. I don't know how it works. And then I'm gonna do this because I think this is part of the stingray's body that would be connected to this, so that the fin is a little lighter. So I'm gonna do that with a different color. But then I'm just kind of blocking out my sting. A little sketch of a stingray that I just did. It's not bad. I like it. It doesn't really feel like it's floating in space. How am I gonna make this thing do a backflip? And then I'll take pink maybe. And I'm gonna do this. Look what I'm doing. See what I'm doing? Following the arc. going down. The fins. So how would this stingray be doing a backflip? No, that's not working. See? Backflip. Dylan, I don't know how to draw a stingray doing a backflip. Sort of looks like a backflip. Maybe just an upside down flip. Make his body going like this. Dylan, I'm trying to draw a stingray doing a backflip, but I have no clue how to do it. Try to use the elements. So here's the stinger. Get him to do the flip. Fun with trying to draw these elements. These are the eyes and these are the eyes of a backflip. So he would be like flipping and it's like this. I guess, but how would you make it going down? Oof, this is hard to... Dylan, look at this. Looks like a Leonardo da Vinci sketch. Okay, so I am stumped. So what I did is I got a piece of paper and scissors, sketch out my stingray. This sketch similar to my drawing. And now I'm gonna take my scissors and I'm gonna try to cut this stingray out. Okay, so I cut out my stingray. Check this out, this is fun. So now I gotta figure out how to make this guy do a backflip. So I'm gonna put a fold here. I'm gonna try to bend this thing, make him look like he's doing a backflip. I'm gonna fold and fold and fold and fold and fold because... Dylan, look at this. I'm making my stingray do backflips. Look, he loves it. Hold on a second. I did it. If you think about it, I'm done. I don't have to draw this thing. I made a stingray. I actually made a stingray doing backflips. Look, Dylan, can I be done, please? I don't want to draw this. That's it. I can't draw this. It's impossible. Look, so I'm gonna try up here. I'll try. Okay, Dylan, I will try this. I can hear Dylan saying, no, draw it, please. Okay, I'm gonna draw it. But how do you draw this? Listen, I'm pretty good at drawing, but this is for kids, Dylan. No one's gonna be able to draw this thing doing a backflip. Gosh, look, I mean, it won't even look like anything. It's like, yeah, look. That's it. I did it. Dylan, here it is. This is my stingray. Look, you can't even see this wing. It's back over here. That's why it's so hard to do. Oh my gosh. All right, that's it. I'm done with this. I can't do it anymore. I did it. I made a stingray doing a backflip. Look, here it is, Dylan. I'm going to do it again for you. So this is how the creative process goes. You come up with an idea, or someone else comes up with an idea. Dylan, for instance, he comes up with an idea for me to draw a stingray doing a backflip. I draw the stingray. I sit here and try. Not even that. Can I show you this? Look at this. This is my original drawing, and this is the one I just did for the video. And I've been trying to draw this stingray, making backflips, like, for days. I mean, this is only one of the sketches. But I finally figured out how to do it, Dylan. I made the drawing, and I cut it out, and then I make him do backflips. So that's how it works. Okay, so that's what I want you to do. I want you to draw a stingray, and then I want you to draw it again, or use the drawing and cut it out with scissors, and then make it do backflips. Is that okay, Dylan? Let me know if that's okay. You can even make him do front flips. Look, that's even bonus. He can do front flips. He can swim around. The problem is he's swimming like this. Okay, that's it. I'm closing my big red doodle book, and I'm going to leave my stingray here. It's so beautiful. I love it. I'm going to actually get a marker. Look at this. I'm going to do this. Look. I'm going to make my stingray. Look how beautiful this stingray is. I should fix the wing, but the stinger. Here's my stingray. He's swimming around, and he's doing backflips. Okay, that's it. I'll see you guys later.